guys, nang mababalik kami na pumunta ng work kasi nagka-problema yung kailangan ng driver. Actually, dapat yung drive namin is mamaya pang gabi. Ngayon. So, mamaya pang gabi, kaso wala nang driver, so kaya pinapunta kami doon. So, cancel na yung namin, yung work mamayang gabi. Kasi ngayon, mag-start na kami ng 9:30. Yung oras ngayon is 9. So, yeah, kailangan namin bilisan, pumunta doon sa work. Dito pala guys, meron kaming special lane para sa bike. So, press na nga ni husband para mag-go yung signal at para hindi na rin kami maghintay ng matagal. Ganito guys yung mga bahay dito sa Netherlands. Tapos yung mga sasakyan naman is nakapark lang sa gilid. Kakaibang kayo ba sa Philippines? So guys, hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina nung pagdating namin dito sa company kasi nga nalobat yung phone ko. Dumating kami sa company is about 9:20. So yung start namin dapat is 9:30. So we still have 10 minutes extra para mag-prepare. And ngayon, kakatapos lang din ni husband na i-load yung mga water kasi ngayon yung i-deliver namin sa Blessway. And by the way guys, this is CMR. So, ito yung CMR na kailangan kong sulatan para sa delivery. Siya lang dami kasi nga nag-request kami ng maraming copy para later hindi kami maubusan. So, bumalik lang si husband sa office kasi nga wala ditong charger sa loob ng truck. Kasi yung the-drive ni husband na truck is hindi yung amin. Kasi yung amin is may nagmaneho ng ibang driver. Lahat ng gamit namin nandoon. Pati yung TomTom GPS map nandoon din. Tapos yung mga charger. Kasi dito sa loob walang charger. So meron palang CMR. Hindi ko na kailangan magsulat. Mabuti na lang. So dito niyo makikita guys yung mga address. Yung sa unahan naman is yung address kung saan pinick up yung item. Tapos is yung pangalawa is saan i-deliver. Tapos dito naman sa yung description kung anong product yung i-deliver. And then temperature, address, tapos name ng company, and also we need to write the trailer number and name ng driver. So finally meron nahanap si husband na charger. Kaso cable nga lang, ito. So, ito lang yung nahanap niya. Isa lang. Pero at least, may mata-charge kami.
So, this is together with CMR.
This one. So, we're going
Please
now.
set up the address.
Here?
Yeah.
But this is phone.
Yes, Google.
Wait, I need to type here. Okay. Set up. So it's already set up and then we're gonna go. How many hours, babe?
2.
So we need to drive 2 hours. So yung gagamitin namin na GPS is phone lang kasi nga yung wala ditong GPS sa loob ng truck. And yung GPS namin naiwan nga sa truck namin. So we arrived to the company. See you later.
navigator. Where is that safety?
This one. So, pupunta nga siya guys ng office para mag-register. May iwan lang ako dito sa loob ng truck. So, papakita ko sa inyo guys yung table dito sa loob ng truck. So, this is the table. So, kain na tayo guys. Nagdala pala ako nitong muffin. At meron din akong coat. Nagdala, kukunin ko lang sa rep. So, ito guys yung rep. Where is the coke? So, ito nga pala yung aking snack for today. So, while waiting kay husband, mag-snack muna tayo. Hindi ako nakapag-luto ng dadali namin kasi nga ano lang po, biglaan lang po yung ano pag-prepare today. Kasi hindi ito yung schedule namin. Let's try this muffin. And I also have Coke. So, next snack tayo. Sarap. Medyo mahirap siya buksan. Maliit lang talaga yung binibili ko na Coke para naubos ko siya. Kasi kapag malaki, hindi ko maubos. Number are we?
We don't know. We're waiting for Doc. They were gonna send pager.
It's pager.
I need to put on the ramp, I need to put on the CMR, which I have this, and
Not really busy, no?
so we are going on 5.
5?
5, yeah?
Yeah, 5. So, we're going 5. What the stuff is?
Somewhere, some bata.
So, pumunta na nga si husband sa loob para i-unload yung mga goods. So, dito lang ako po sa may driving seat kasi nga baka meron siyang ipagawa sa akin. Kasi minsan kailangan itaas din yung trailer para maabot. Kasi minsan kapag nag-unload siya, yung trailer is bumababa. Kaya dapat itaas para balance. So, by the way guys, itong truck is Scania. Scania truck. Pero yung truck na pinag-drive namin is Volvo. So, this one is Scania. So, kung kakaiba siya guys, tingnan nyo. So, ito yung steering wheel. Mapapansin nyo. Ang daming mga ano. So, nandito yung susi niya. Yung amin naman yung sa Volvo truck namin nandito banda. Tapos ito naman na brake is nandito sa unahan. Kasi yung amin dapat nandito yung sa baba sa may upuan. So, kakaiba talaga yung setup. So, dyan guys, ang daming compartment. Pwede ilagay mga gamit. Tapos meron ding window sa taas. Para kapag mainit, pwede buksan para magkaroon ng hangin. At ito naman is, madumi oh. Ito naman is, double deck. So, merong bed sa taas, and then meron ding bed sa baba. Tapos, dito naman sa baba, ito yung mini rep, tapos yung sa kabila is yung mini storage. Tapos dito, lagayan ng mga ball pen, tapos paper. Dito naman copy, GPS, and there is the table. Yeah. That's how the truck looks like. Wait. So, let's go, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo yung trailer. So, this is the trailer. It's already empty. And now we are waiting for the next order. So, i-close lang ni husband. Yeah. Posing, babe, posing. So, paano talaga ito si husband? So, to go next, we don't know yet. Kasi hindi pa nagsasend yung boss namin kung saan yung next route namin. So, he sent something?
No, but did I have internet?
Yes.
Ah, yes.
You have internet. Yeah. We have new order.
Do your job, motherfucker.
My job is to set address.
Yeah. This is the t-shirt what we bought it there?
Yes. It's good, no? Quick. So, our next address. Where's the Milab?
What next address?
What is the city?
Don't write. We have it here. There was inside. There, inside.
Ah, this one. Ah, okay.
Then you don't need to fill up everything.
Ah, yeah. That's
It's
good.
also this one, take it. Because it's not good. Everything must be already fixed fast. So simple.
So guys, we already arrived to the company. So ito guys yung glass house. Kararating lang namin guys dito sa second address namin. So dito kami sa malapit na sa may Schiphol Airport. So si husband guys, nandun na siya sa warehouse. Kasi nga mag-start na siya mag-load. Yung load pa lang namin ngayon is tomato. So 33 pallets. And then after nyan, babalik kami agad ng Benlo. So doon naman i-unload yung tomato. And I already checked the address. So it's about 2 hours and 8 minutes driving. And time check guys, it's already 14:31. So nakarating kami doon ng mga 5 something around 5 PM. So guys, kailangan kong ibaba yung trailer. So check natin kung okay lang ba. Down. More down. natin ulit. So,
A little bit more.
little bit more. So, check natin ulit. Oh, taas pa din. Guys, medyo flat na siya. So, okay. Kasi nga lang, tumataas siya kapag bumabalik siya sa taas. And that is my husband. Actually guys, ang lamig sa loob kasi nga warehouse siya. Meron ding aircon sa loob para ma-maintain yung good quality ng product. So yun yung inaangat ko kanina. Nandito lang ako sa labas kasi nga it's all the time keep going up. Tingnan mo, diba? Kapag dadan siya, bumababa. Tapos mamaya na naman naakyat. So guys, this is how it looks like. Ano sa ba? Guys, nag-start na si husband mag-unload. So guys, finally, natapos na kami sa work and we are going home now. Dadaan pala kami guys sa Albert King. Mag-stop kami sa Albert King kasi gusto na kami lulutuin ko. So, niluluto ko ng adobo. Yes, wait, adobo. Ito guys yung Albert King dito sa Tagalan. Shop. Uy, where did you? So, we are now arrived in Albert King. Shortcut. Ooh. Oops. Ang dami din nakapark na bike. Okay, my love. I'm gonna go down. So, mabuti lang dito guys sa Albert Heijn kasi nga nagsasarado sila mga 10 PM pa. Lock. So, let's go inside. I-deposit nga pala ito ni husband yung bottle. Para hindi na namin dalhin sa bahay. Kunti lang naman. So, how much? So, 5 bottles, we get 75 cents. It's okay now?
This is from somewhere else. Yeah. Where do you get this cup?
It's not ours. I think you... Ah, yeah, I think I pick up. Let's go. Orange. Only this small one. So, kukuha kami nitong orange juice. So, yung pinili ko guys, itong maliit na bottle, which is 1 for 99 cents. Okay, it's done. Thank you, baby. So, I will also get a lemon. This one's
Maybe ready one.
not like that. Yeah, it's okay. This one, okay. Kunti lang yung binili namin kasi nga meron tayo ng kaming food sa bahay. Tagna, rice. Let's go, babe. Drinks, you don't like?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought you don't like. So, alam niyo na guys yung kukunin niya. Starting letter B. I know, Mila, what you're looking for. Starting letter B. Yeah.
Baby? You're looking for baby?
So, we're gonna go to Casa now. So, we're gonna go come to Casa. So, i-scan ko lang. I-scan lang namin to.
Yeah, it's good. I already forget it. And this one?
This one. So, total is 15 euro and 67 cents. And meron palang bonus card. Nakalis lang ako.
Nothing.
It's nothing, yeah. Okay. So, kailangan namin itong ticket para i-scan.
Please.
Let's go.
See, these flowers would be nice, maybe at the house. But when they're opening, maybe, I don't know, no smell.
Yeah.
But that is how it looks like.
Okay, guys. We're now going home. So, this is the end. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, babe.
Ciao!